Let's look at today's trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty 28th February. So these are the higher time frame zones in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Like so, the first trade which I got at 11 p.m. Sorry, 11 a.m. So it was a gap down and the price started falling down. So I was not interested in short in these areas. So I was expecting some pullback to happen over here. So I was waited till 11 o'clock. So this was my one of the zone. I expected the reversal to happen from here and price fall down, or at least to this till the day high, and after that if the momentum continues to fall down. So I entered somewhere at this place, but there was a momentum failure, momentum low, and my SL was at this high. I entered here, the SL was here, so it's around 20 points. It actually takes my SL in the first go itself. So I exited with some small SL, and I was looking for a possible re-entry, but there was a no re-entry was happened over here, so I skipped this next trade. So the next trade I have posted a message that till price accepted above 16748. What is 16748? 16748 is nothing but it is a higher time frame resistance. So I want a price to takes out this zone so that the buyers could enter aggressively over on the top of it, and so that I can look for a long. So till the below it was a downtrend. That was I explained. The same logic in Bank Nifty also. 36,556. So 36,556 were one of our swing high. So I expected the price to takes out above this and above this, so that it will be a change in a downtrend to uptrend. But what happens? The price is not changed immediately to an uptrend. So I got another short opportunity around 12 o'clock. This was a trade which I took. So I took a trade here. I kept my SL. I was expected a one more reversal, or I expected a sellers to come in and push the price down. But what happened? Again, there was a momentum failure, and I booked something at this point with 50 percentage position, and I kept my SL over here, and it takes out immediately in next few candles at 12:30. It takes my SL there. So the second trade was done, and the third trade which I took in a Bank Nifty around 12:30 12:40 time. So this is the trade. Again I shorted here, keeping my SL high, and expected the price to reach 35 920, and it was actually reached at the T5 920 as a target. But what happens, so in between the momentum got failure, so I have to exit something at 50 percentage here, and the remaining it takes out my SL at cost. Since I'm option buyer, I cannot manage this momentum, less low momentum trade. So again this was takes out, and actually the trade reached my target. So it is like from this point to this point, it is actually almost 300 points. So if would have been a trade, so I could made around 150 rupees per quantity. So unfortunately I was exited. So the next trade again which happened on Bank Nifty, which is around 12 to 15. So yeah, this was the trade. So what I expected, after a pullback happened here, I expected a market to fall down and takes out this low and fall further down here. So I entered here, but that was an immediate momentum failure. So I exited everything at the cost itself. So I don't consider this as a trade. So I exited everything, and this was a few trades happened today, and I was done. And these are the logics here for looking at the trade today. So it is actually a complete downtrend in Nifty and Bank Nifty. By end of the day, Nifty takes out this particular zone. This was mentioned here, 37 sorry 16748. This was takes out finally after 3 o'clock. I was not interested to trade any trades after 3, so I closed my terminal, and this is what happened here. And if you're new to this video, if you want to understand what is happening in the live market analysis, you can consider joining a Simple Trader Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the description. And also, if you are new and you want to understand about any setup, I have explained the BOF trade setup, which I'll also give a link here so that you can now understand and take a trade. Thank you so much. See you next time.